Does your skin feel tired, dull, and lifeless? No matter how much sleep you get, it's time to bring your skin back to life. Dullness is your skin's cry for help. Dehydration, buildup of dead cells, lack of nutrients, and stress all steal your natural glow. But the good news? It's reversible. Start with a gentle exfoliating cleanser 2 to 3 times a week. Mix honey plus coffee grounds or oatmeal. It removes dead skin without stripping moisture. This boosts circulation and removes dull layers instantly. Now nourish deeply. Use a DIY glow mask. 2 tablespoons yogurt plus 1 teaspoon turmeric plus 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse. This fights pigmentation and brightens skin tone. Hydration is key. Apply rose water or aloe gel immediately after cleansing. And don't forget, drink 8 glasses of water daily. Lock in the glow with 2 drops of facial oil, almond, jojoba, or rosehip. Massage gently upwards every night. Massage increases blood flow and brings out that natural rosy tone. Glow is not a luxury. It's your skin's natural state when cared for. Start this routine today, and you'll see visible changes in just 7 days. Your glow is one habit away. Try this today and tag us in your journey. Subscribe for more glow-up secrets.